I did plan to go half the journey, but I made it to the top because my body said yes. This is impressive because it's the second day on my period. So, I mean, like, I definitely did not expect this at all. No, second day on my period, and I'm doing this. I think this is the effect of the medication. So I'm going to go up there because my body say yes. So yeah, let's go, guys. I even noticed my skin looks different. I don't know if because I've been eating healthier and drinking more water, but my skin, I haven't been using nothing on my stretch marks and they're disappearing, and I'm losing weight too. So like, yeah, this medication is really good. Yeah, the dog always hiding in the bush right up here. May I show you in my hide. Right there's my hide. See him there? You know see him? See him there? He ain't gone right? So, he always hiding in the bush. I feel lighter too. You can know when your body is changing because you can feel it. You don't feel sluggish. You just feel light, you know? I feel so light. Yeah. Oh, Lord.
Play with, I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene, think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you think I left my one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Don't say your name, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
You know my breast, you could see that I lost weight. I am feeling good and I'm looking good. I'm just gonna keep up the consistency. You know, I don't have any complaint now to fail on nothing that I do. So my health is coming back. So all I have to do is stay focused. That's all I have to do. The dog got hiding at the bush and frighten me, guys. Yeah, him round there said for me. Yeah, wait on it. Wait on it. It look like him knows, so I figure him out. So him stop hiding at the bush now. View. So I'm going to go down now, and then I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna do some work. I have like 2 work to do. Yeah, and probably a little bit of scheduling, and that's it. I make YouTube new YouTube video tomorrow. I have like 2 videos to make, and I'm hitting 800,000 followers probably this weekend, so I probably celebrate Saturday or Sunday depending on when I hit 800,000 followers. I will have to see. Yeah. Yes. Hey guys, I came further this evening. I welcome further, and I don't want to go any further because it's getting later. And I don't know if anybody house with dogs. The gate is open and I may have to run. But I did do further distance today, and I feel so good. Yeah, second day on my period and I'm doing all of this. I feel really energetic. Life is so beautiful, right? I've seen so much beautiful homes. All I really need is money to be able to live and survive. You need love and money and a peace of mind. Can't do nothing without a peace of mind. Yeah. Hey guys, so it is day 3 on my period and it's late evening and I made it up here. Yes, I literally told myself I was gonna do half the journey and I made it up here. Yeah, like it's like when I reach half the journey, and even though I'm saying that well I'm doing half the journey, my body say you can do the full journey. So here I am and the view is so beautiful. Yeah, and it's a lot of crowd, so I don't have to worry that you know, I'm alone on the hill. Cycle I've ever had and not breaking down for the whole week. I haven't cried since. I just had like craving and that was it. Not no negative thoughts, nothing. And normally I'm not even able to work out. So the fact that I'm here on the 3rd day working out, it's really a beautiful thing, and I'm working out extreme. You know, like it's not like I'm holding back, I'm doing the same full journey. So this is like totally awesome, you know. Huh? No, that's fine. I'm just doing a vlog for my YouTube. Yes, all right. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of cool people exercise up here. Not everybody. Well, most people seems friendly. Some people seems like they don't want to be bothered, so they don't really talk, which is understandable because coming up is like a lot of breath work. So sometimes just saying hello is hard. I understand, you know. I have people who like, you know, really friendly. Yeah, they feel so cool. Yeah, another accomplishment. Yeah, I'm so proud. This is the first in months, probably years, that I've actually had a good period week. Even the pain is like limited, you know. Like normally, I'd be in so much pain, I wouldn't be able to like get out of bed. But I don't even like. I just took ibuprofen like twice. I think it was like the first day, and I think no 3 times yesterday and today. And it's not because I was feeling pain. I just took it because just in case pain pop up. So that is really a good thing. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go down, guys. Yeah, I'm going to go down now. Whew. Journey to healing. Hey guys. So I'm just here waiting on my financial advisor to sign something. I went grocery shopping and the bill came up to $20,000 and I literally can't believe it, guys. Cost of living is so expensive right now. I also picked up some stuff from Amazon and yeah. Yeah, finally I get my wax melter. Yeah, yes guys, I'm so excited. I love scents and I was up cleaning until late last night. I actually like set up the living room so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys. It looks really nice. Yeah, I stayed up for hours. I packed out some clothes and I cleaned up the living room. I wiped, I mop, I sweep. Yes guys, so it's just for me to like do some finishes and that's it. So yeah, I did my grocery shopping today, pick up my stuff, and now I'm signing an important document. So yeah, I need to get the guy to get this thing out. Yeah, it looks annoying. Yeah, this is because I had a band-aid over my dermal. Yeah, so my piercings, they're still in their healing phase, so you know I still have to be doing stuff to keep them intact. Yeah, but my skin is coming on, guys, and today's like my 4th day of my period. Because I was up so late cleaning, I went to bed late and I wake up like at 10, so I'm still kind of tired, but I'm going to make my espresso when I get home, so I feel a little bit better. Yeah, but so far, like, everything feels like it's going great. I can't complain, like, no lie. Guys, so I finally made it back home, and this is my wax melter, right? I'm gonna show you how it works in a second. I also got this. It's for my syrup that I'm gonna use to make my espresso iced coffee. And yeah, it's to pump the syrup. And it looks something like this out of the box, guys. And it's like glass, by the way. It's like a plate thing. It looks something like this. And yeah, I guess I would plug it in for it to work. So guys, we're gonna test it out. So I did bought some scents with it. I'm gonna show you what they look like. I just love the idea of keeping my home homely, if that's a word. Like this, and I can't remember the exact flavors that I got. I really can't. But they're like vanilla, caramel, sweet stuff. I like sweet scents. They make the place feel cozy and just nice. So I love those type of scents. I really do. So yeah. So this is Cuddle Up. And it smells really good. It smells really, really good. This is Farmhouse Cookies. This one is really nice. This is cinnamon apples. I don't really like cinnamon scents like that, but yeah, it's not bad. This is salted caramel. I like the Farmhouse cookie. So let's try it, guys. I'm gonna wipe it out first, and then I'm gonna plug it in, and let us try it and see what it's like. Now I have to walk back around and come try. By the way, you like my Hello Kitty, guys? Something like that when it lights up. Right, so now I'm going to add the wax to it, the thing to it. Okay. I could probably use like 4 for the first time. It's getting warm already, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna use 4 for the first time, right? Yeah. For the first time. It smells good already. Okay guys, it looks something like this. And they're aren't melted as yet. I think it's gonna take a while. Alright, so yeah, it's gonna take a while. So in the meantime, I'm gonna set up other stuff. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like so far, and as you can see, it's melting. And in the house that smell good already. Yeah. Some what I buy for $20. So first I bought these melons. Right. I love this yellow one, by the way. It's so good. Eggs. Right. Sour cream. Oat milk. Garbage bags. Because Gatorade. Because you know girls start by gym and Pilates. So you know you have to have a Gatorade for a Lululemon cup. Milk. Butter. Coconut water. Onions, and I bought these specifically for onion boils, so I will be doing onion and egg boil probably this week. I see people doing it on YouTube, so I tell myself I'm gonna try it. So I bought these 2 big onions for that boil. So there's some little snacky snacks. Lemon pepper, and I plan to use it this time. I bought lemon pepper years ago and I did not use it. So yeah, I plan to use it on the onion boil too, but I also plan to make like lemon pepper wings one day. So yeah. Because I love tea, and this is chai tea, by the way. I love chai tea, so I got me some chai tea, the black one, and ginger tea. Prefer this rice more than the regular red one, right? I prefer this. It's more softer. I like how it tastes, so I bought this one. I really like it. Milk.
Playing with makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm the summer myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I notice the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you think I left my work this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my life. Say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your face.
So I put it there in the corner, and it's gonna stay here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here for sure. Yeah. By the way, that's how the wax is going, and it smells so good. So let's put this now on the syrup, guys. Yeah. By the way, this is Da Vinci brown sugar syrup, right? And this is what I'll be using in my espressos. I prefer this instead of using the other brown sugar because it takes too long to melt. So yeah, just 2 pump of this and I'll be good. So let's get it, guys. Look something like this. I guess I'm gonna have to like push it up like this. I guess so. But I'm gonna rinse it. Why is it making that noise? Oh, I guess it makes a noise. Pump, straw. Alright. Okay. This is nice. So it looks something like this, guys. So I'm gonna make our espresso martini today, so you guys will see how it works. Okay. Yeah, I have another, but I'm gonna keep it for another syrup that I plan to purchase. So yeah, this looks good, right? This season thing I've had for years, right? It's a black pepper and salt that's supposed to go in it. It's like automatical. When you turn it like this, it throws the salt. So I'm going to throw it out. Alright guys, let's get it now. Alright. Oh, whoa. It works. It works, guys. It works. It works. I guess this is just for aesthetic. I mean, with the light and stuff like that. A vegetable patty for lunch and a shaken iced coffee. So this is my patty and it's from Juicy. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Hey guys, by the way, I'm kind of tired, so I hope you don't mind. Okay, and 2 pump of brown sugar. I was just timing the milk for the cool foam. Okay, guys. Shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Guys, I guess that is it. Shake. Okay. Cup. Okay. I think I'm gonna do my cold foam first, guys. Left foam in the meantime. I'm doing the cold foam in the fridge because I really want it to be cold. I have never used it before. So I have my and vanilla. You know, I'm not gonna be measuring it. I'm just vanilla, not too much. 1 pump of brown sugar. This is a lot. Ooh, this is a lot. And it's making 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. I don't know. Oh, I don't have to do it.
That, guys. Let me take this out the way so you guys can see what's going on.
Not too much. A little bit.
Yeah. And okay, guys.
Oh, it's
looking really good. I think it's looking good.
It's milk. Okay, and I have a little bit of coffee back too, but that's fine. Could add more sugar. More brown sugar could be added to it. Of beef and potato with asparagus for dinner. So I'm just gonna eat this and have a nap, go live and then have a nap. Hey guys, so this is my third day of the week doing a nature walk, and yeah, sorry about that. I've been feeling very good, but I mean, like, I think today is like my last day of my period, so I kind of feel drained. So I may need to eat really healthy in the next coming week. Yeah. So yeah, to build back up my body. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm here doing my walk. There's less people here today. Hello. So again, I reached to the part where I feel like, I told myself that. So I reached a part where I told myself I would stop, and my body say you can go more. As you can see, it's a big hill behind me, so I'm gonna take it on. Yeah. I'm looking small. Yeah, somebody just asked me if my body is fake again. Yes. Do my body really look fake? Wow. My hair is so wet, guys. I'm so wet. Finally made it to the top, guys. And this took me such a short time. It was so easy. Oh, wow. That was easy, quick and fast. Yeah, I'm really looking thin. This is what the waist is looking like. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I jogged 3 times this week, and that was so good. Yeah, I didn't go to any Pilates class though, so I need to get that in place. So this is the body, guys.
Make it back over and over again. Sweat to change, but I know it's the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left my work time. Got tired of your shit, you almost to mine.
And I'm going to get some groceries. Oh, I thought it was police. I'm going to get some groceries, and then I'm going to head home. Yeah. Feeling so beautiful today. So beautiful.
And I got me some meat from the supermarket. I got salmon, steak, pork chops, that's smoked pork chops, and I did spend my evening really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.